the thing you are thinking inside your mind is not that one somebody also different-minded. I can say something here. The thing I was saying, no, that thing is inside my stomach. But when you come out, everybody will take it the way the person wants. So the thing you do, no, they have meaning, but everybody will take it the way different way. The way me I'm thinking, you should telling Ghanaians that the steer no day in hand. When you get the steer, you know how you go drive the car very well. If I'm MPP man, any better thing NDC people do, I won't appreciate. I'll have something to talk against about that. It be challenges. Everybody doing the way you go do a hand touch him off. The way Bawumia is showing Ghanaians. It's not Akufo-Addo go give him the steer. If Ghanaians go decide to give him the steer.
Abusia kasa family aso ni usaka video na subscribe na like na comment na share. We are follow ye e TikTok na Facebook ni na no kasa media. Kona say because of social media na so I never share na etima de abo na chief e wa ha wa say kasa fa ho na etima de abo ye. Abusia anse nche ye e na Bawumia ko techiman ya okaka nsem bi wo ho kwa ndi campaign to na wo ye no ano akaka say first year no ye de ema no. The steer no finally no e techiman for magazine for ye steer na ma na wo ni ma wo chinchi ba ben was a pen ba be was a pen no na kwasem e na be ka ya channel we say as a leader obi a person be man panyi wa Ghana I see then na ultimate code na ma service ba say youth na so mo jinjin obi ni ade ade e ba say etwaye ana say entwaye follow ye ni ntumi ade emboa subscribe na like na comment na share na follow ye e wa TikTok na Facebook ntumi de emboa medi no e de ya princess e ba e ne chief e be shase Meda was send my Samuel Kwababim about Kasapa Media. So Saka video na subscribe na like na comment na share. We are following what TikTok na Facebook na Kasapa Media. Kona busia video we yan chat Mr. So sha no follow no ma comment na intentem so pa the pastors e dia manage my dey abo. Ene chief e wa ha ni bedun kuma fa de Bawumia kwaye watechiman no se won so wa me try say me hu comment say obi a obepo mampanyi wo Ghana ha so asa de youth na so mo jinjin bi o asa o da ya sa aburo hello moody yes right so yes sir na senior right so yes sir chief you're welcome.
Oh, thank you.
Now say akwaba
but you know chini so kakra but
we will manage. I hope we will forward the video about Bawumia saying you should give him this steer and what he said I'll touch my the video.
I watched the video.
Okay, what do you have to say about it? Is it good for a vice president who is telling us to vote for him to become a president of the Republic of Ghana? Is it right for him to do that?
Okay, you know, the thing you are maybe the thing you are watching.
Okay.
It's not that one somebody also watching.
Oh, okay.
The thing you are thinking inside your mind. It's not that one somebody also different-minded.
Okay.
You see, I can say something here. The thing I was saying, no, that thing is inside my stomach. Okay. But when you come out, everybody will take it the way the person wants. You understand? Yeah. Maybe you take it different thing.
Other two taking the
you understand? Way. So, you see, before you do that thing, the party following day. Party chairmen, ministers, and DCs, the leaders in the party also did. You understand? So the thing you do, no, they have meaning. Okay. But everybody will take it the way different way. But me, the way me I'm thinking that she's telling Ghanaians that when the steer no day in hand. You understand? So when you get the steer, you know how you go drive the car very well. Okay. You understand? Concerning issue that. Okay. You understand? But I'm saying something always. If I'm MPP man, any better thing NDC people do, I won't appreciate. I'll have something to talk against about that. Yeah. The same to NDC. You understand? If I'm a MPP, NDC people do something better, I have something to talk against them. I want my party also to come power.
Okay, so you mean those talking about what Bawumia did, they are NDC people?
Yes.
Those who are against what he
yes.
did,
Because people. You know, if John Maman time. John Maman do some things, is better things. But if you see people sitting radio top and discussing, the person know John Maman do this is right, but the person go say it's not right. You understand? So the same to vice president. When vice president or president do something, when it's wrong, MPP people no go allow said it's wrong. You understand?
Yeah.
And people go say it's genuine or it's fine. But NDC people go say no, it's not fine. It be challenge, it be challenges.
Yeah.
Everybody doing the way you go do in hand touch him more.
Everybody appreciates his or her own. So if Bawumia said that, MPP people will say it's right for you to say that.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Don't if I'm learning something. So later, me myself came to master. The mistake I do from learning, when I came to master, I'm not relaxed. I'm learning more to do better thing more past the time I'm learning. You understand? The way I'm thinking that, the way Bawumia is showing Ghanaians.
Don't you think that what Bawumia did is something like some way, because Akufo-Addo is still the president of Ghana.
Yes.
So you say you should give you the steer. No, I don't think it's nice for you to say that, because
it's not Akufo-Addo go give him the steer. If the Ghanaians go decide to give him the steer.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
So if Bawumia said Akufo-Addo go give him the steer, though I didn't hear that side. You understand?
Akufo-Addo is still the president of the Republic of Ghana.
Yes, but it's time rich.
Okay.
You understand? So everybody come out to find me some way, the way the person go do and return Ghana president.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
So now, people saying vice president they inside the race, but still, if president know the vice president standing vice president place, why he didn't do that things before? Gomama also explaining that when I came power, I'll do this, I'll do this, but he did present before. You understand?
Yeah.
So sometimes, I don't want to involve myself inside politics too much. You understand?
Okay.
Everybody doing the way you go do. This one also have blame. This also have blame. You understand? Because of the person want power.
Okay.
But it's not Akufo-Addo will give Bawumia steer power, or Akufo-Addo will let Bawumia be Ghana president. No, if the Ghanaians go decide to choose.
7th December, we all go and decide who will be the president of the Republic of Ghana, 2025 and beyond.
Yeah.
Wow. So you are saying what Bawumia did is right?
Yes.
Okay.
It's Bawumia's own decision.
We shouldn't talk about it.
Yeah.
Okay. But people are saying Bawumia is a liar. How do you think?
You see, Bear president himself, people saying president is a liar. Former president Atamis, people say he's a liar. Rawlings, the time Rawlings the power, people saying the Rawlings is greedy, is a liar. But when the Rawlings die finish, now people seeing the Rawlings important. You understand? So when you are in life, your family, inside your family there, you have enemy.
Okay.
It's not outside though. Your family there, you have enemy before outside.
Okay.
So Bawumia said many things that he didn't do that thing. The same thing, and this regime, John promised some promises. He didn't done. Now he wanted to come back to done that things. You understand?
Yes.
Maybe so. Apart from God, God promised no fail. Apart from God, if you are a human being, anything you are saying, you are just saying to square people's mind. You understand? But it's not the thing you are saying. I can say I'll build a house for you. Maybe later, I didn't build a house for you, I buy a car for you. You understand? But difference comes inside.
Okay. The reason why some of the Ghanaians are saying Bawumia is a liar is because Bawumia went to a certain church and made a statement that he's going to pay all the church members or the pastors, and he came out again to say he was lying, it wasn't true. That's why
that's idea. The way sometimes my work said I'm busy. I didn't hear that one. But you see, if you buy bread, give your son, or biscuit, give your son. Later, you wanted to take the biscuit, your son in hand, unless you do in some way before you take the biscuit.
Sure.
But if you just come now and take the biscuit in hand, you see, your child will cry.
Sure.
And secondly, you see, people didn't understand the way Ghana is going.
Okay.
Now, the way you are sitting, if you send your child to school, if you pay everything finished, you wanted to buy something for your child. You understand? If you have the money, but maybe you want to buy biscuit, give your child. Your child want chingon or toffee. Unless you buy toffee, give him. If you have the money, but unless you follow the child's choice, then it's not you who eat that thing. You understand? So Ghanaians are supposed to understand that no government cannot come to do anything. The government promise. If the person no go fit do anything, all of that thing, unless you do part and left part.
Okay. Wow. I will say any chief able to train combo or your channel ways. Catch your senior and change for the total it's mad abwa. Maybe such chief question be found. You made your answer when I swear, say where you're comfort, where you suffer, and ask why they because we want to finish and say, but who say why a malam and I say be away different what I think in the shows. I was near comment section, a comment section with me who adventure or there Casafa Huyano, me who adventure or send it mad abwa. Follow your TikTok and Facebook, Nano and Casapa Media Corner. Are you a spiritualist?
Yeah.
Or a malam?
I'm doing spiritual work. I'm doing malam work. So that's both. Spiritual. Yeah, I'm doing both work. And so if you have any problem, if you consult me, if you're a lady or man, I'll know the role I'll follow. The role I'll follow, no, I'll collect your name and collect your parents' name and go and check. If your star catch the malam side, that malam side, I'll take help you. If your star go catch the black medicine, that one I'll take.
So if you want to help someone, you have to check before you help that person.
Yes, I'm not just sitting, somebody call me that, Chief, I have this problem. I'm just telling him that bring this, I do this for you now. Unless I'll collect your parents' name plus your name and go and check. Sometimes if your husband if you plus your husband have problem, if you call me that me plus my husband get problem, unless I'll go check and see your star is water or fire. Your husband's star is water or fire or air.
Okay.
You understand?
You won't just go straight to the person. Okay. Will you use the Quran to do that? Or?
I'm using Quran. Plus that black medicine.
But I've seen a key, a padlock.
This one is padlock.
Okay.
If you have a wife, you don't have the wife have problem. The person ran away, leave you. With this one you use, or your girlfriend. You understand?
There's like for girls, right?
Yes.
Okay.
If have girlfriend, the girl ran away for you. Still, you like the girl to came to you.
The person.
So this one you use the padlock and lock him. The person came back.
What if you want to get something from someone and the person refused to give it to you?
You said?
What if you want something from someone? Maybe I want money from my cameraman, and he refused to give me. Can I do this for him?
Yeah, that one there. Unless you do this, you see this one.
Different.
This one I'm using it for court.
Court cases.
Court cases, critical things.
Okay.
But this one, I'm using it for many things like somebody want paper. From outside.
From outside.
Yeah. Okay. Or somebody want wife.
Okay.
You understand? So I have some again. That one, spiritual marriage. You understand?
You do all that.
It be different work. If the person call you and tell you the thing worrying him, you go check. If the laughter, the person go buy. The laughter, the person go buy. If sheep or cow, that one the person go buy. You take give the gods and call the person name you know how you do. You see, sometimes maybe you want something from somebody, you didn't get, it be bad luck.
Oh, okay.
You understand?
Like promise and fail.
Yes.
Okay.
It be bad luck. Sometimes if girl have that star, if man can just show you today and like your matter and talk to you, you plus him just say 1 week, 2 weeks, the person run away and leave you.
Sure.
You don't know the reason why. Or man can see girl and friend the girl following him 2 months, 3 months, the girl run away and leave him. Or he married the person, he didn't delay, the person ran away and leave him. Spiritual marriage can do more than that. You can marry somebody.
Your work can even collapse.
Your work collapse. You can marry somebody anytime you are on trouble. Spiritual work that.
Hey.
You can marry somebody, you go make accident. The accident collapse your everything. You can marry somebody, the person die. Spiritual can do more than that.
Wow.
You understand? So spiritual marriage is different categories.
So you do all that.
I'm doing all that. But spiritual, if somebody just say spiritual marriage worry me, he's just following one. But if it be different. You understand? Somebody can get husband and take pregnant. The day the person go born, the person die. Spiritual marriage doing that. And kill the lady and leave the child, and kill the child and leave the girl.
Wow.
You understand? So unless you get protection for yourself,
yeah, sure.
before that thing run away and leave you.
Okay.
The protection is different.
Okay.
So your name is Ajua, or somebody name is Ama. You understand? You plus that person's style is not different.
Yeah.
So it's not necessarily spiritual. You have spiritual problem. The one I take do Ama work, I take that one also do your work.
It's different.
Yes. Your mother can born maybe 5 children, but your blood is not the same.
Yeah, sure.
So the same thing, no, your star cannot be the same. You understand what I mean? So anytime at all, spiritual worrying people too much. Somebody can be outside. The person will be outside. Later, you want money to do what? To follow him. Plane came back to Ghana. When he did there, no, just did there. The person no go chief in him. He's not getting anything. Or the person did there, he want to marry a white lady. The person no go get. Spiritual cannot do that thing. Yes.
If you want to marry a white lady.
Yes. You can go there and get white lady. The lady help you to get papers.
So if you get there and you want to marry a white lady, the person should call you.
Yes.
Do a ritual for him.
Yes.
A white lady.
I will just go and make research. If I do the research, if the Mala side I will help you, I will tell you. If the black side I will help you, I will tell you. You see, sometimes mostly Christians, those people no pray. Those people start fooling Muslim side part black. But somebody when you know that you are Christian, you just call him that you wanted to do this or you have problem this. He wanted to take black medicine and heal you. Maybe your star no will follow in that way. Wow. So me, the way I did inside more than almost 28 years now, I know the way the work is going.
More than 28
years. Wow. I have my certificate.
Wow.
If you like, I will show you my everything to know that it's true I'm talking. You understand? 28 years now. I know everything. So sometimes somebody the person legs or in this break, stroke that. Sometimes it's not stroke. Sometimes it is stroke. So I will check if the stroke enter inside your system, I'll treat you. If not stroke, I'll tell you that it's not stroke, it be this sickness.
So how many days, how many weeks, how many months, how many hours?
Me, I'm not taking this doing my work.
Okay.
The work I'm done for you. No. If I finish, the day you take the medicine finish that.
Okay.
But if I give you date, the medicine didn't finish. So you take the medicine or you won't take the medicine again. You understand? So I'll do the medicine, the one you bath, the one you eat. Okay. So I'm doing.
So if someone wants crowd, maybe a prophet, a pastor, and he wants crowd for his
yes, I have more friends. They be pastors, but it's on air. It's not necessary to say.
But do you do that?
Yes, I'm doing.
Okay.
Maybe I have because of that.
Business. He's selling
any business like you have store.
Okay.
The store going back. If you tell me, I'll go and check and see what happened. Somebody can take bad money and come buy your things and spoil your all money. Spiritual money day, somebody go do spiritual money, packet not dry, and come buy your this thing, your goods. When you put the money, when you take the money, add inside your money. Anytime at all, you will come out your money.
Wow. So you do. You
understand? Yes. So me, if you call me about money matter, I will help you to be rich. I'll know the road. I'll follow you. Your everything came perfect. You understand?
Yeah.
If you want fiscal money, I'll know how that thing I'll show you to buy. I'll get the money for you.
So you do money rituals?
Yes, I'm doing money rituals.
You chant money or?
No, I'm not chant money.
Okay.
But I will help you.
To get money?
To get money.
Oh, okay.
But chant money.
Whether the person is working or not? Or you have to?
If not work,
okay,
I can't help you.
Oh, okay.
You're supposed to get something to doing small, or if you are selling slippers there, or foods and
or even pure water.
Any pure water
business.
But you are just sleeping in your house. I do money, medicine give you get money.
You money on your bed.
No, you can't get. Yeah.
Okay, the money rituals, you use animals for that rituals?
Yeah. Someday that if the staff will laughter, unless you buy laughter. If the person is following sheep or gold, and so let that one.
On your star.
Yes, it's following your star. Somebody did there, and let's pick.
Okay.
And let's pick. You take help that person. Yeah.
Wow. I was saying, so any chief. Edin komo e wo kasapa media eso na itima edin abo na bedin komo what ya say go so edin komo na so say you rem spiritual marriage open protection spiritual because your election year so have to protect yourself.
Yes, before you come out.
Year, so you have to protect yourself because who nim nipa na per procession edin no spiritual say you can say sacrifices are all here. Ti so bo ho ba say bia for ka wo kwan fa bo ho ba net ne mbo e person stretch ba e memedo so penis enlargement and bia stroke, diabetes, pressure. All that you're running now, Chief A.B. and I say, when you be my son on and found. Chief, do you do penis enlargement? Penis enlargement?
Yes, I have some. I give you
diabetes, pressure,
yes,
all kind of
that medicine. I have some here to show you, but because sometimes you see this one for your chest.
Your chest,
yes.
Like your breast.
Yes, if your chest worrying you, if that one you are using, and secondly, if this one worrying you, what I call it, your stomach,
your abdomen.
Yes, okay. You can use it. Someday here, the one I told you last, stroke.
Stroke.
You have stroke and MAP stroke. This one I'll give you.
Okay, but
you are using
the
it.
Same, Anna.
No, it's not different.
Okay.
Look the color.
Different. Okay.
This one is small. This one is big.
This one is big.
This one is black.
Yeah.
This one is red.
This one is red. Yeah, sure. Wow. So stroke. What about pulse?
The cow.
Pulse. Cocoa.
Cocoa pulse. I have the medicine. Okay. If you call me, I'll ask you the way your pulse is doing.
Okay.
So that time, if you show me, I will do it for you.
Can you treat what way? Because sometimes you can see that it's on that person's skin or
any sickness worrying you, call me and tell me your problem.
Okay.
You understand? If you just tell me your problem, I'll know the way I'll follow.
You will follow.
And help.
Let's talk about the
I'm doing many work. You didn't see this powder.
This one, the penis enlargement.
You didn't see this powder. This powder. You will heat water.
Powder. Yeah.
You will heat water and put it inside.
Okay.
and take it.
Okay.
Or inside, if you prepare meat, soup, you put inside, but you are not putting meat unless fish.
Okay.
You understand? If the person have soup inside his system,
okay.
the person will eat. That time you take new blade and cut the place. The system no go work again, no.
Okay.
And put water small inside and put the person body on. But before you do it, if you are lady or man, unless you come out your head. If you know you can't come out your head, don't come to this medicine.
You mean you shave your hair?
Yes.
So me, I will braid it and shave it.
You shave
Sakura.
it. Sakura.
Wow.
Before you use the medicine. If not that, if you want to use only your body,
it won't work.
I can't give you the medicine.
Wow.
But if it's not serious, you are working, you are doing everything, I will take the blade and cut your body. If I know they around the place you did know, I'll let somebody do it for you. You understand? And put the medicine.
Wow.
Wow. But if you came to my skin, I'll shave you and cut your body all and put the medicine. But if no day around, I'll give the medicine and you show your people the way you will do the medicine. The medicine heal you.
Then everything will be fine.
Some sickness called Eeii. Some people you see somebody walking, somebody say the person have Eeii, but it's not Eeii. You have some sickness. That if that sickness catch you, if you go lab test, those people can say you have Eeii, but it's not Eeii.
It's not Eeii.
You understand? That sickness also there. You are calling him papialga. You understand? That sickness, no, you have this sickness again. If that two sickness come attack you, you get that sickness, but it's not Eeii.
Wow.
So you have some medicine to give you. You are taking. When you take 2 weeks or 1 week, you go hospital to check. Wow. You understand? If you check, when you came normal, you get yourself that. But so many people say the person have Eeii, but it's not Eeii.
It's not Eeii.
So if you started using the medicine, you will give me a complaint. Chief, when I use the medicine, if you use it, I'm doing this, or it's paining me, or it's doing me so.
For you to know that the medicine is working.
Or when I take the medicine, I'll come out all again. So that time, I'll know what is going on.
Okay. Wow. Come to Chief, and your life will never be the same. Chief, let's talk about the penis enlargements.
Yes. That one there, if you have penis problem, the thing I told you, unless I check, if spiritual, normally,
okay.
It's not spiritual, normally. Okay. I can do. You can marry some lady. The lady have spiritual inside in body. If you fuck him, you can get that sickness. You can get somebody he be normal. He be just is working, later it's not working. But someday, when his mother born him, the penis no go feel well. Okay. So that one day I can't heal that person. Can't do anything about it. I can't heal that person. Okay. That one it be God matter.
Oh, okay.
But the one is working, later it's not working again. I can trade. Spiritual, I can trade. But you just born like that. No, I can't.
Now, Chief, what about 3 seconds and 2 seconds?
That one there, it be medicine. Okay. I'll do it. You are doing warm water and put inside. You will drink it always. So when you are drinking it, you will take it 30 minutes before you go to bed and see what is going on.
Wow.
Wow. But if your penis is small, I have some, I'll do it. If you bath and finish it before you use it inside your bath, you understand? You make sure you are not going anywhere again. If you do it, you go and sleep. I'll give you a number of days you do it. You see the way your penis go do.
Wow. Do you do lotto?
No. Lotto number, I'm not doing lotto number.
You're not doing lotto
number.
Wow. Abusia any Chief ebusu etwetwe nkomo wa kasapa media so for spiritual problems in Nana for the chair chief as well. Now on solving a day from be on crack some peppers now why the idea amount outside Ghana and our peppers now watching I am map so why brewing in a young cracker and the amount for the chair chief as well from all the way from a northern region. Now be true come as a ha and on a train come out your channel won't say a channel as I say interview 1 hour yas 1 hour when you day oh 1 hour quadrant quano and on my edu come away channel with net my abwa. Subscribe and like and comment and share the video and so be as we are following our TikTok now Facebook ni nano Kasapa Media Corona. Chief, I want to ask you a question about a lady. If you are a lady then you want breast, you want buttocks. Do you do that too?
The person want
buttocks. Want buttocks?
No, that one there. I can't do it.
You can't do that.
Yeah.
What if you are married for so many years that
you are not
able to give a baby?
That one there, I can help you.
You can help.
Yes.
Twins and all that.
You have some God name. If you want twins, I know the road I will do. I'll find and do that thing for you. If you are taking that medicine, before your husband will go bedside, your husband will take it and wash this thing. You also take the rest and wash your vagina before you go to the bedside.
Okay.
Yes.
So the man have to wash his penis, and you have to wash your vagina.
Yes.
Then you
before you plus your man go to bed. And secondly, spiritual marriage can break you womb born.
Really?
Yeah. Unless you protect yourself.
You can marry for more than 10 years.
Yes, later, him plus the husband was stop. But first, I told you that you see somebody marry lady, it's not going anywhere, him plus him stop. That all that is spiritual marriage can do that. The person die, spiritual marriage can do that. So spiritual marriage can do more than many things. So unless if you are a human being, if your mother just born you, you can't reach some time unless you protect yourself. You understand? Yeah. If you protect yourself, God also protects you. But don't just go lying down and relax and when your future comes better. You can't get that.
Chief, I want to ask you this last question, then we end the conversation. You know we are in election year, so if I want to protect myself, what should I do? How much money should I bring for you to do the protection?
If you want to protect yourself, unless you call me and show me kind of protection you want.
Oh, okay. The kind of protection you want. Okay. Maybe
you
want it for your business. Maybe you want for your
somebody also want protection if you take knack, choke him. You understand?
Okay.
Or gun, or what and what, or car accident. Then sometimes that spiritual can follow you inside your car. You are going on the road side. You go fall down. Motorbike, the same thing. Yeah.
So there are kinds of protection.
Yes.
So
different.
If someone wants a gun protection, how will you know that the person getting to want you to get to protect me from their gun protection? Or how will you know that he's going to do it for better or because there are a lot of armed robbers around the country?
Yeah. If you told me that you wanted to do, you want protection, unless I'll find out and see the way you are.
Okay.
Before, I'm not doing my work by heart. Yes. You understand? Before witness day, before I'll do it for you. I'm not doing my work basa basa. And secondly, Quran, you have Quran ayat that innama amalu biniyat. The mind, the mind you take come tell me no. If not that mind I do the work give you, you go, you won't succeed.
Okay, yeah.
The near inama amalu binia. The near the one the decision you take come from me, no. You understand? If not that one you are meaning to do, you come liar and do it give you. But
it will not work.
It cannot work.
Okay.
You understand?
Wow.
No, I won't give you medicine to go and kill somebody.
Wow.
You understand? I won't give you protection to go and rob somebody. No. If you come and ask you told me that I'm doing this work, it's not true. I do give you later. Is that you yourself, you see the way that thing will happen to you.
Wow.
Yes.
I was saying, calling you now, BC, say, my chief, and kind of final words, chief. Let's say a final words.
My final word is
And your number.
people taking my videos and scamming people. So
Okay.
always I'm hearing complaints.
Okay.
You see that boys day inside social media. Somebody can take your picture and modernize your picture and do everything and put different number and collect somebody's name and money. Later, when you are sitting in your house, somebody call you, chief. When I give you the money last week afternoon, I'm calling you, you are not picking. If you tell him that for send the number you send the money to, if the person send the number, it's different. You understand? And secondly, when we are talking about the medicine, if somebody want to send medicine to you from outside, make sure the medicine have laboratory this receipt.
Oh, okay.
If I do my medicine, I'll send it to laboratory.
Okay.
Laboratory, if laboratory people check and know that it's real, those people will give me receipt that is genuine. Before I'll go to DHL. DHL people to send it for you.
Okay.
So if you didn't see that receipt, don't take that medicine.
Okay.
Laboratory, DHL also have law. If you didn't go your medicine to laboratory and bring receipt, those people no go send your medicine. If you go DHL right now, you will see many medicine inside boxes. That those medicine is not good. So those people no go fit send. You understand? So the thing I have that, but my number is 024 88 36 771. 024 88 36 771 is all that number I'm using. My MTN number that. Don't go and call different number. If you call different number, you send your money to somebody. My hands no dey inside. So if you take the number, watch my mouth, the number I'm calling inside my mouth, and take it again. But if you go let somebody scam you and take your money, don't call me or don't give me complaint. Because of that, I call the number inside my mouth. 024 88 36 771. My number that.
It's on WhatsApp, right?
Yeah, everything.
Okay, chief, thank you for coming. I will see I any chief and a could did come on our channel way as soon as I do not subscribe it and like in the comments and share. What said about me and the who say right because 1 hour and this who said about me a wrong but 1 hour and people who said why right as I'm a monitor because politics and to say and this me and this for best support and for but then before any for any support or sana amamonity into no right about my bed and ever yes and me who I didn't share or comment section into near the emboa subscribe the follow ye near who comment no to what TikTok and Facebook ni nano na it's my the abwa Mr. channel ya we kasa was so you person ye didra and the ma first studio line no na near the endidra number no 055 1616 715 o person ye didra free na any day endidra wonderful very affordable sanity it's sure one day ma no wa share no snake na the abwa me di no e de ya Princess Macau.